Here at KCU, the kids are the teachers, and we are your professors.
That means
KJ Fisher
and Izzy McGee.
We are going to create, learn,
And play
all day, every day.
So grab your goggles
And grab your glue and get ready to learn something new. Because class
is now in session
at KCU. Welcome to Kids Creator University. Today we're making magic balloons. But it's not magic.
It's chemistry.
So here's the equipment you need. You need safety goggles, unless you're wearing glasses. 2 beakers, balloons filled with baking soda, a beaker stand, and an extra beaker for pouring.
So here's the ingredients you need. You need vinegar and baking soda.
So let's make it.
Yeah.
Step 1, we're going to pour our vinegar into our beakers. Okay.
Here you go, KJ.
Thank you. Now I'm going to hold this at the bottom because you don't want to hold it at the top. It's going to spill too fast and possibly spill on your hand.
Yeah.
So you want to hold it at the bottom and pour it out of this pointy thing.
The spout.
So I'm going to pour about half. Okay, that's good. Here you go.
Now let's see it.
Now, out of the pointy thing. Okay, I'm just going to pour it like a little bit more.
Step 2, we're going to fill our balloon with baking soda. So our balloon is pre-filled with baking soda. So we're going to take our funnel.
And what you're going to do is you're going to take your balloon, put the funnel inside, take your spoon, scoop up baking soda, and put it inside the funnel. So it goes straight in instead of spilling. Maybe put like 2 scoops. So step 3, we're going to get our balloon and just put it over, but don't pour the baking soda into the vinegar. Just let it dangle. Yeah, like that. Voila!
Wait, so before we continue, do you remember the 7 evidences of chemical changes?
Yeah, remember? It's Let's Go Over to Party City soon. I bet you don't know what the L stands for.
Yeah, I do. Light. Do you remember what the G is for?
That's easy. Gas. Let's see if you remember what the O is for.
Odor.
You're smart.
You're smart also. Okay, so what? I bet you don't know what the T stands for.
Oh, T stands for temperature. Fine. What in the absolute world? What does the P stand for?
That's easy. It's precipitate.
Yeah, we did that in one of our videos.
Okay, so I guess you don't know what the C is for.
Color. Or, fine, last one. What does the S stand for? I bet you can't get this one.
Sound.
You're a very smart girl.
You're a little smart boy too.
Aww. Step
4. So we're going to hold our beaker stand and our beaker, and we're going to slightly tilt the balloon,
and then we're gonna observe what chemical change happens.
3, 2, 1, let's do it. Whoa! Okay, so my chemical changes.
I just heard the fizz.
Me too. So
that sound.
Yeah.
Wait, do you know how many are there? I think there's 3.
Oh yeah, there's cold.
Okay.
So.
Oh, that's getting cold. That is cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
That's temperature.
Oh yeah, and then the balloon filled up with air.
Well, got big.
Yeah, that's gas.
And gas.
That's all for today on Kids Creator University.
See you next time in our next episode.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Casey, you have some good for you. Ladies first.
Don't mind if I do. Why did the boy eat his homework?
Why did the boy eat his homework? I don't know. Why?
Because his teacher told him it was a piece of cake.
That was really funny.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh yeah, this is the good one. Why did the girl bring lipstick and eyeshadow to school?
I don't know.
Because she had a makeup test.
Oh, that's funny. Makeup test. Next joke. Make some noise! Okay, what did Della wear?
What did Della wear? I don't know. That's really interesting. I don't know.
Her New Jersey.
Oh!
That's funny. Because they're like two states. You get it?
Yeah! Oh, this is a really good one. You're gonna laugh for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Why shouldn't you tell an egg a joke?
I don't know.
Because it might crack up. Get it? Because eggs crack?
Yeah, that's cracking me up.
Your turn.
What did the hamburger name his daughter?
I didn't quite understand you. Could you read that again?
What did the hamburger name his daughter?
Oh. What did the hamburger name his daughter? That, I don't know.
Patty! That's funny.
And my last one is, what is the capital of Alaska?
I don't know.
Come on, you do know this one.
I do.
Oh, what? Because the capital of Alaska is Juneau.
Oh.
Well, that's all the jokes we have for today. And we'll be back with another episode here at KCU.
Bye.